Thanks for coming to Learn Logistics. This is my first video, so please be nice. Okay, the first video is about supply chains versus logistics. It's important to note that supply chains and logistics are not the same. Now, Bob might say, oh, supply chains and logistics are the same. And Sally might say the same thing, but even when Professor Bob and Dr. Sally use the terms interchangeably, they're technically not correct. So let's look at an example. The supply chains of paper. We have trees. They're happy trees, and then we chop them down and put them on a truck. Now, this is the beginning of a supply chain. It is not the entire supply chain, but it is logistics. So any part of a supply chain is logistics. Let's continue. Those trees are brought to a warehouse, a creepy warehouse with one window, and then it's put onto another truck, and it goes to a paper company where the wood is processed and made into actual paper. From there, it's put on another truck, and it goes to your local department store, and then it is brought to the final consumer, our good friend Bob. He's now happy, and he has his paper. Now, this is the entire supply chain. We start with our raw materials, the trees, and then we go all the way down the supply chain until we have our final product at the end consumer. The supply chain also includes the upward and downward flow of money, as well as the upward and downward flow of information. But all in all, the easiest way to think about it is that we have raw material going through every process until it is the final product at the end consumer. Again, any part of the supply chain is logistics. That can also be the flow of money or information as well as goods, but the entire process, raw material to end consumer, final product, that's the supply chain. Okay, so in summary, supply chains and logistics are not the same, and this is Learn Logistics. Please like and subscribe and comment. The interaction will be good for my statistics. Okay, thanks. Bye.